Welcome to Medicap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this ortho question. So this question was asked in the year 2024. Question says that which of the following distraction is considered least stable in orthodontics? Options given were mandibular advancement, mandibular retraction, maxillary superior repositioning, and whitening of the maxilla. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now, distraction osteogenesis, it is, you can say, a surgical technique which is used in orthodontic surgeries or orthopedic surgeries, pediatric surgery, and even in oral surgery. So it is done basically to repair these skeletal abnormalities, and then you can just provide a traction source and you can just modify the bone according to yourself. Now, say for example, in the cases of mandibular advancement. So in mandibular advancement, you want to bring the mandible forward, which is basically done in the cases of class 2 malocclusion, because in class 2, maxilla is prognathic, mandible is, you can say, a little bit set back. So you just want to do the advancement. So you'll give a cut and then with the help of traction, you will just bring the mandible in the forward, you can say, state, and then you can just fix the thing. So basically it is done for class 2. Similarly, if you want to retract the mandible, say for example in class 3. In class 3, this is more, you can say, protruded. So class 3, you want to do retraction, then in maxillary superior positioning of the maxilla. All these three cases, they are quite stable. But when we talk about widening of the maxilla, here you are playing with the suture, right? You are just giving rapid maxillary expansion screw here, and you are just splitting the, you can say, palate where there is suture. So it is considered as least stable as compared to the other three options. I hope I'm clear to you and how these osteogenesis distraction is done. So the correct answer is widening of the maxilla.